Hello, my name is John, and I'm looking for some assistance on how to invest my money, but I'm not really sure where to begin. I saw your multi-million-dollar advertisement with a sophisticated-looking man wearing a $2,000 tailored suit on television, and I thought you might be able to point me in the right direction. Can you help me?
Why, yes I can. You see, I received my investment license from the State Securities Department and they gave me permission to give investment advice just last month. I have studied only a few books on investing and passed a long state exam. Although I have little experience investing in much of anything myself, my company says my credentials are most excellent. I have a Series 6, Series 7, 63, 497, CFA, 263B7 and of course, the firm I work for has $210 billion in assets. And after having said all of that, I think would agree I'm most qualified. How can I help you?
I was looking for an education on investment basics, so I can make the best decision possible for protecting my family and our wealth.
Absolutely. The most important thing you need to know is that my company is as strong as a rock. We have 15,000 agents like myself nationwide, and we have the best company training program to help us sell products to people like you. We offer a variety of highly complicated investments that I don't fully understand myself. Investments like annuities, mutual funds, stocks and bonds. Many of our investments are traded on the New York Stock Exchange and the Nasdaq, although I'm not totally sure how those work either. Standard & Poor's has given us a AAA rating for the past 5 years and our international debt fund has beaten the Lipper average for the last decade with a beta factor of less than 2.25. As you can plainly see, your money will be very safe with my experience and my company's impressive credentials.
Sorry, but I don't really understand. I was looking for an education about investments, so I can protect my family for the long term, and also build wealth quickly. Should I just go ahead, and nod my head, and pretend like I understand anything you just said?
Most certainly, and here's why. I'm mostly paid off commission and I only get paid when I sell you something. If I really took the time to explain how these highly complicated investments worked, you probably wouldn't be very interested. You see, our products are designed to give you the risk, so that my company can remain profitable in even the worst of economic times. The chance of you making money over the long term after our fees, expenses and inflation, isn't that far different from your chances of beating your local casino. In fact, you may do better at the casino and you will definitely have more fun. However, if you would like someone to sound extremely confident and hold your hand, so you feel better, I'd be happy to get paid for that and provide for my family a nice standard of living and a Hummer H2 for me to drive so the local robot women will notice me.
What if I want to be responsible and take control of my investments and not use someone like you?
Very, very risky. Even dangerous. Horrifying if I do say so myself.
What if I consulted someone who had years of experience investing, but that didn't have a license with the State Department?
That might be the most terrible idea I've ever heard. You see, state departments that issue licenses typically carry the highest educational standards. The nature of a large taxpayer-funded bureaucracy is creativity and the highest regard for human competency. Those people who have passed these state tests are the most highly qualified to help you. I would absolutely run away from anyone else who has not gone through the state testing and licensing manuals.
So investment experience is overrated?
Absolutely and unequivocally.
Are there any educational resources you would recommend so that I could become more educated about investing?
My company's brochure is incredible. It will show you a lot of financial statistics and growth rates that may not make a lot of sense, but if you see the smiling married couple on the front cover who nearly lost all their money last year, that could be you and your wife. Should you want to learn more, I'd be happy to share my state licensing manual with you. The information contained within it regarding quality investments is fantastic, and without any bias whatsoever.
So, if I hear you right, unless I really take the time to do my own research and due diligence, I'm probably not going to make any money, especially if I give it to you.
Precisely. So, on that note, shall we go ahead and make you a client of our firm, so we can immediately begin filling out an investor questionnaire to determine your risk tolerance?
Does this answer your question?